Like Christmas, everywhere we go.
Mommy, I got the kisses and that big shoes.
Yeah. Let's see.
Clothes. Mommy, what you got the pig?
Here we go, find.
Find what?
Huh?
Find what? Christmas store? Christmas store? Open like the door.
Oh, forget this.
Chicken.
It's not a chicken wing.
I'll say that.
It's sausage. Sausage.
Chicken. Mommy. Hello. So the weekend some groceries this. Yeah. Yeah, but Mommy. Mommy, this is your hair.
See my hair.
Yeah, but it's long. It's long. Everybody likes your hair.
Yeah.
Look. So. Mommy. Up there's the red thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't mess it up. Oh my gosh. Car. Why you make the house down, but mommy cut at our house.
Y'all, he has a ruptured eardrum. His ear was just bleeding, like oozing out.
So it's mommy's
My poor baby, y'all.
lucky block. I'm at we at the doctor.
Yeah.
Look, I got you.
Hey y'all, so we are back from the ER. I am picking up his prescription for his drops for his ear. So we are currently in Walgreens. Sure. But anyways, what are y'all doing? It's like 12 days until Christmas. I cannot believe Christmas is next week. I can't believe it. This year has flown by so quick and we have not done anything at all thanks to coronavirus. Yeah.
I went to peep, and now we're officially Spider Bros.
Mari.
You got playlist?
I got your phone.
Mari, you want a PS5, don't you?
So bad. So bad.
Mommy, I got your phone.
Okay.
Last night.
It's a strip club last night.
No, I said
What?
The strip?
the strip.
The strip.
I went to Vegas last night, girl.
The strip club.
Trim.
No, I played Vegas party.
She said she went to the strip club.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Vloggy Vlog. It's me.
Yeah.
T-shirt next.
No, here.
Decent net.
Please hold it. Why?
You gotta turn the camera around, Mom. Alright, I'm just showing the controller real quick. Oh, it's so nice. It's so aesthetic. That's a mute button. And look there, it's just so good. Awesome, really be looking. Dang. Playing Spider-Man.
Oh, she in heaven over here.
I am.
She ain't get one though because she'll not take care of stuff.
Mama! Oh, I want me to make you cry. Mama. Oh, what is that?
Nothing even matters. Hey y'all. So we are at my sister's house and look at her cute decor. Y'all, we got some taco soup.
Everybody else take off whatever they want to do, however long they want to do. And even when I took off, once you did it, yeah, but man,
Yours is still blank. Wayne.
I was helping everybody else.
Big sister life.
She's a big sister. She's a big sister. She a big
Yeah, whatever.
I need
Everybody's a big sister. Oh.
Kitty, your toe. Move it. Move it.
You didn't use the green one. I'm gonna use it.
Concludes the end of this vlog. Make sure y'all subscribe, give it up, and we will see y'all in the next video.